Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are working in the rain. Oh my god. So we are going to do a doable prank on someone. Huh?
Oh yeah, near the kiss.
Okay.
Right. I'm not telling
So
you my
let's
phone
go.
side good even.
It is raining.
Correct.
Oh, right-handed. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So, I'm not holding the umbrella right way.
Yeah, don't drop the phone in the water.
I know. This is my school. Yeah. And our school is very close to our house. That's my school. That is my school. It is very close. It's my school. Yeah. That is my school. Okay. So my legs already hurt.
No, they don't. Keep moving.
Is there still raining?
No.
Huh?
Not yet.
It's still raining.
Yeah, it is. I mean, yeah, it is. Okay, keep going.
Oh my god, I got my head wet.
Come. I will be holding you down. Oh, look at there. Backyard.
Hmm?
Look at the backyard.
Hmm.
They made the cement.
Oh. Where?
Let's go see.
Where? Whose house? Huh? Whose house?
Remember last time we were walking?
At this house?
Yeah, look. They were doing
At Halloween? Halloween, I didn't even want to go at this house.
Too scary?
Yeah, there was Chucky. Remember, Ghostface?
Yeah.
Whatever his name was.
Chila.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw! This way? We're marching through the forest. Ooh.
Stop running.
Huh?
Stop running.
Really? Hold this. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Show your face. All right, yeah. It's sprinkling a little bit. What is that?
Someone's doing a dog walking.
Huh?
Looking for dog walk. My name is John. I am a dog lover. I'm confident in providing safe and satisfying dog walks. $15 an hour, $8 30 minutes. Phone number. Chal.
What does that mean?
Someone is offering dog walks for a price.
What does that mean? A
Eh.
price?
You pay them $15 or $14 an hour, and then come this side. Come this side. What's in there? What's going on? Why are they going so slow?
Okay, you stay by the house where they park. You stay behind Goodness' car. And I'll ring the doorbell and I'll run to Goodness' car.
Don't fall.
Huh? I know. Okay, go right here, brother. Okay. Let's go. Go behind the car. Go behind the car. Hello?
What's up? Hurry
No!
up. It's cold. Where are you going?
He told me to go on a walk.
We got bored.
And when you recording?
You think?
YouTube channel.
Stop recording.